What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Charmaine and your boy Jeremiah. Say hi, Wops. Alright, so in today's video, we are making rye vegan blueberry pancakes. Yo, he just finished busting them down. So I'm going to show you guys how we make them. You ready, Wop? Say yes. No? Maybe. Alright guys, before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let us know what your favorite part of this video is. All of the ingredients are in the description box below. So here we have 1 cup of rye flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Here we have 2 tablespoons of organic coconut sugar. I got this from my local supermarket. Here we have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I just added 1 cup of non-dairy hemp milk. You'll add your blueberries when the pancakes are cooking in the skillet. So these are the vegan rye pancakes. I cut them up for my son and he's busting them down. I make these maybe twice a week, just depending on how I feel. I like making them. And you know, they're very filling and it tastes really good. So on top, instead of putting maple syrup, I put agave. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel, Baking for J-Man. And also subscribe to our Instagram at Baking for J-Man as well. Dang, wow. Oh, now he wanna climb. Peace.